How to fix Snapchat flash on your Snapchat. Today guys, I'm gonna show you the correct way how to fix this problem. Just follow this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just go and open settings of your phone. Then you will go to apps or application, and then you will scroll down the screen and go directly to Snapchat. Just search it here on apps. When you found it, just open it like I'm doing right now. And now be careful, click on storage and go to the last one here, clear cache and clear data. Click OK, then go back and click on force stop, click OK, and then you will back again to Play Store and you will update Snapchat. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.